Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to factory reset Toniebox. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, if you're wondering how to exactly reset it, it's actually pretty easy. So first things first is you want to make sure your Toniebox here is sitting on its charging station and that the charger is plugged into power. Now the Toniebox needs to be connected to power for this to work, but once it's on the charger and powered, here's where it gets a little bit interesting. So what you need to do is you want to flip it upside down. Now in this case, while still in the charger of course and plugged in and has power or running power on it. So turn the whole thing upside down so that the little ears on top here on the Toniebox are now pointing downward. So just imagine you're turning it over like a cup, but both the box and the charging station stay together. Now from then on, with the Toniebox upside down, you need to press and hold both the ears at the same time and not just tap them, but actually pinch and hold them and keep holding them for about like 10 seconds. After holding for those 10 seconds, you hear an audio signal and then the Toniebox will shut down. That sound actually confirms that in this case your Toniebox has now been reset to factory settings. Now, in this case, you just need to set it up again if you want to, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.